What's common between a military veteran, the Great Depression, and fried chicken? Well, you're right if you guessed Kentucky Fried Chicken, or KFC, the popular fast food restaurant chain, which had its humble beginnings in a single roadside restaurant by none other than Colonel Sanders. Yes, the same old man on KFC's logo. Sanders' story of expanding KFC from a single restaurant to one of the largest fast food chains is nothing short of extraordinary. At 65, Colonel Sanders found himself at rock bottom, with only $99 Social Security checks to his name. Determined to change his fortune, he made a bold decision. With nothing but his famous chicken recipe and a beat-up car, he set off on a journey across the United States to set up a franchise business. His plan? To convince restaurant owners to try his recipe and start selling his franchise. But rejection after rejection followed. Over 1,000 rejections didn't deter him. He kept pushing forward, believing in his dream. And then, finally, a single yes changed everything. With that one yes, Colonel Sanders introduced the world to KFC, and the rest, as they say, is history. Colonel Sanders not only changed his own life, but revolutionized the way the world eats chicken. His legacy lives on, inspiring dreamers everywhere to never give up on their dreams. KFC, from humble beginnings to becoming global flavor sensation.